West Texas leaders had the chance to sit down with U.S. Senator John Cornyn today to talk about the new Big Beautiful Bill, a law aimed at helping communities keep more of their money, support local businesses, and strengthen rural hospitals. News West 9's Cameron Leal was with Texas Senator John Cornyn. Cameron, tell us about what happened today.
Absolutely, Sydney. So from childcare to healthcare, chamber leaders across West Texas voiced their priorities and concerns. And Senator Cornyn says the bill is just a first step and his goal is to help rural communities thrive long term.
John Cornyn, a senior Republican sitting on the Texas Senate, paid a visit to the heart of the Permian Basin on Thursday to discuss the Big Beautiful Bill. Members of West Texas chambers got to speak on behalf of how this bill challenges or benefits their community.
Whatever you can provide, that extra bit of money coming back to support child care, I think is critical for all income levels, but especially the ones that are on the lower to middle end of the socioeconomic spectrum.
Cornyn defended the bill.
We can pass bills, but then coming back and making sure that the legislation has worked the way we hoped it would or thought it would is equally important. But that's the reason why I'm here today.
And another big issue that affects West Texans in the bill was health care, a topic John Cornyn came prepared to talk about.
It's very complicated because if you're in Dallas or Houston, you've got all sorts of access to the best hospitals and doctors in the world. It's not that easy if you're in West Texas or in some rural community.
And with Cornyn sitting as a member on the Senate Finance Committee, he says their goal is to help struggling hospitals.
The economics of running these hospitals is very challenging, and you've seen a number of them close, which is one reason why we provided $50 billion for rural hospital stabilization.
That $50 billion fund is meant to give rural hospitals some immediate breathing room while also helping them build the tools they need to stay open long term.
But I'm absolutely committed to making sure that every Texan has access to care. But that perhaps is maybe the single biggest challenge that we're still wrestling with.
Cornyn left folks in the Permian with one message about President Trump's Big Beautiful Bill.
Jobs, jobs, jobs. That's what it's about.
And many residents are hoping that rings true as they say they struggle with the challenges of the economy.